Brushing teeth in the morning.
Hi everyone, I'm home.
Hi, honey. Oh, what's that you've got there?
Oh, this? It's cake. I stopped by the new bakery on the way home.
How many slices did you get?
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5 slices. There are only 3 of us.
I just couldn't resist those delicious slices of cake, honey.
Well, I guess we're having cake for dinner tonight.
Oh, Brian, how are you?
Hi, Dad.
You seem upset. Are you okay?
I guess so.
Hey, I have some good news for you.
What's that, Dad?
Today, we're having cake for dinner.
Uh,
Why are you upset? Don't you like cake?
yes, I do, Dad, but not today.
Ryan, what's wrong with your face? It's swollen.
My teeth hurt, Mom.
Open your mouth. Let me see. Oh my, you have a cavity.
Did you forget to brush your teeth again?
No, Dad. I brush my teeth every night before bed.
Honey, you must brush your teeth twice a day, before bed and after waking up.
But I always wake up late, so I don't have time.
You should wake up earlier.
Yes, Mom, but what should I do now about my teeth?
We'll go to the dentist.
Will my tooth decay go away?
Sure, honey. But for now, I don't think we should have cake for dinner anymore. Having breakfast. Good morning. Morning, Bella. You seem a bit tired. Yes, I was up pretty late working on my annual report. Is it due today? Yes, I have to turn it in this morning. So, have you finished it yet? Already. Great job, my friend. Now, sit down and have something to eat. I don't really have an appetite right now. You should really eat something. I'll make you some eggs. How about that? I guess so. Eggs are nutritious and give you lots of energy. You'll need it to go to work. Yes, you're right. So, would you prefer your eggs scrambled or boiled? I'd go for boiled ones. Hard-boiled or runny? Hard-boiled, please. Got it. I'll add some fresh salad, too. Thanks, girl. By the way, I'm making sandwiches for lunch. Do you want me to pack some for you? That would be nice. Your salmon sandwiches are always top-notch. I know, but today I'm making chicken sandwiches. Why the switch up? Because we ran out of dill sauce. My salmon sandwiches wouldn't be the same without it. I'll stop by the gas station later. Do you want me to grab some for you? That would be great. If possible, please get the one from Tilson's. What if they don't have it? Then anything else was fine. Got it. Going to work. Good morning, Amy.
Good morning, Bella.
It's weird seeing you in the morning. Usually it's John working the early shift.
Yes, it was supposed to be him, but he called in sick this morning. Said he has a fever.
Poor guy. Hope he gets well soon.
Agreed, or else I'll be stuck with his morning shifts.
You're not much of a morning person, are you?
Well, not really. I do wake up early, though, to go to the gym.
Cool. That explains your incredible strength.
How do you know?
I saw you lift that whole carton box by yourself last week.
Ah, yeah, I guess I am pretty strong.
Anyway, I think I might need a quick caffeine boost, though. Do you have any fresh coffee brewed?
Absolutely. We just put on a fresh pot a few minutes ago. Regular or anything fancy?
Regular is perfect, thanks.
Anything else you need to grab on the go? Snacks? Breakfast burritos?
Actually, that reminds me. I ran out of dill sauce. Do you guys carry any?
We sure do. Let me check. We usually have a couple brands.
Do you have something called Dilsons?
You mean Tilsons?
Yes, Tilsons.
That would be $10 for both.
Thanks for the help, Amy.
No problem at all.
Hey, what's the best way to get to this office?
Hey, sorry to bother you. I'm new here. What's the best way to get to the Greenfield office?
Oh, Greenfield office. It's pretty close. Do you prefer the subway or the bus?
Which one's faster?
The subway for sure. Traffic in this city is a nightmare.
Good to know. So, which line should I take?
Take the blue line for 3 stops, then switch to the red line. Get off at Central Station.
Got it, thanks. And after Central Station?
Walk 2 blocks. The office is next to a coffee shop.
Great. I hope I don't get lost.
You'll be fine. Just keep your eyes peeled for the coffee shop.
Keep my eyes peeled?
It just means look carefully.
Oh, that's a funny phrase.
English is full of them.
Well, thanks again. You saved my morning.
No problem. Have a great day. You gotta meet the deadline, okay?
Hey, Lucas, you look stressed. Is everything okay? Not really. This report's driving me crazy. There's so much to do, and I don't think I can finish it on time. You gotta meet the deadline, okay? The boss won't take any excuses. I know, but I feel like I'm drowning in work. Look, don't bite off more than you can chew. Break it into smaller tasks. Like finishing one section at a time. Exactly. And take breaks. Your brain needs rest too. Easy for you to say. You're always so organized. I used to be a mess, trust me. But I learned to plan ahead. Maybe I should stop putting things off. Maybe. Dude, time is ticking. Let's get this done.
Ordering food.
Anna, will you come to my house tomorrow? It's my brother's birthday.
Really? That sounds great. Do you need me to help with anything?
Nah, my brother invited his friends over. And I've already brought all the decorations to set up the house. My brother gets home from school at 5 p.m., so I have about 3 hours to prepare. You just need to come and have fun.
But I can't just come and play without helping. What about dinner?
Oh, no worries. My parents decided to order food from a nearby restaurant, so we wouldn't have to worry about cooking.
Maybe we should get some extra snacks and soft drinks, though. There will be a lot of kids around.
Good idea. Let's do that.
At the farmer's market. Good morning. Fresh strawberries just picked this morning. Only $3 a box.
Hi, these look amazing. Are they organic?
Yes, they are. No pesticides, just sunshine and care. Would you like to try one?
Sure. Wow, it's so sweet and juicy. Olivia, you've got to try this.
Oh, this is delicious. How much for 3 boxes?
Normally $9, but I can give you all 3 for $8.
$8? That's great. What's the term for when you lower the price? A discount, right?
That's right. A discount means the seller reduces the price for you.
Got it. Thank you for the discount.
Can we pay by card?
I'm afraid it's cash only. There's an ATM just over there if you need it.
I have cash. Here's $8.
Thank you so much. Do you want a bag for these?
Yes, please. Also, what's in season right now?
Apart from strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are really good. I have them here. Blueberries are $4 a box and raspberries are $5.
What do you think, Sam?
Let's get a box of blueberries, too. Can we still get a discount if we buy more?
How about $11 for everything?
Perfect.
Shopping for a new phone.
I need a new phone, but I don't have much money. Do you have anything cheap?
Sure. This one is $250. It has a good camera and the battery lasts a long time.
$250 is still too much. Do you have something less expensive?
Yes. This one is $180. It's simple but works well.
Isn't that the phone you had before? The one you dropped in the pool? Oh, yeah. Does this one work if it gets wet?
Not really. You need a more expensive phone for that.
What do you think, Alex? I think it's fine as long as you don't drop it in water again.
Actually, we have a special deal today. This phone is $200 and it's better than the $180 one. It has more space for photos and a stronger screen. Also, it's okay with small splashes, but don't put it in water.
Perfect for you, Liam. Just don't take it in the pool again. Good point. I'll buy it.
There's a good documentary on television tonight. That's the 3rd bowl of instant noodles today.
Don't judge me. This is cuisine for tired people.
You've been glued to game shows all afternoon, and you need brain food.
My brain is full of noodles and joy.
There's a good documentary on television tonight.
What, like the one with penguins doing kung fu?
No, a real documentary about ancient civilizations.
Can't we just watch a cooking show where no one cooks?
Nope. Tonight, we use our brain cells. All of them. If you have any.
Oh, shut up.
Didn't you like ancient history before?
If there are dragons, then yes.
No dragons, just pyramids, tunnels, and secret chambers.
Sounds like a nap with knowledge.
You might actually learn something for once. Come on, it will be fun, I promise.
Fine. But with one condition. One cartoon for every documentary.
You serious? Deal. Still better than those rotten game shows. The weather app says there's a chance of thunderstorms tonight.
Hey, Leila, are you still planning to go to the park concert tonight?
I was, but I reconsidered. The weather app says there's a chance of thunderstorms tonight.
Seriously? I was looking forward to it.
Me too. Maybe we should bring umbrellas just in case?
Might not help if it pours.
True. Do you think they'll cancel it?
Depends on how bad it gets.
Should we wait and see?
Yeah, I'll keep checking the radar updates.
I hate how weather can ruin outdoor plans.
Welcome to spring in London.
Or anywhere in Europe, really.
If it gets cancelled, want to grab dinner instead?
That sounds like a plan.
Let's decide by 6.
Perfect. Fingers crossed it clears up.
I'll wear a raincoat just in case.
Evening walk.
Look at that house, Mom, Dad. They've got reindeer on the roof and lights everywhere. It's so pretty.
Wow, they really went all out this year. It looks magical, doesn't it?
Magical and maybe a little over the top. How do you think they get the reindeer up there?
Maybe they used a crane, or Santa helps them.
Santa's got better things to do than decorate rooftops, Emma.
Dad, what's that smell? It's so good.
I think it's someone roasting chestnuts. That's a classic winter snack.
Chestnuts? I've never had those. Are they sweet?
Not really sweet, but they're warm and nutty. We can try some at the Christmas market this weekend.
That's great. The snow feels so soft tonight. I love it when it snows like this.
It's peaceful, isn't it? Quiet streets, soft snow. It feels like the world slows down.
This is my favorite part of winter. Everything feels calm and cozy. Cooking dinner together.
Mom, I'm home.
Welcome home, Sarah. How was your day?
It was fine, I guess. Hey, Tom, what are you doing in the kitchen?
Can't you see? I'm helping Mom cook dinner.
You're helping Mom cook? What's the occasion? Did you watch too much MasterChef last night?
I want to learn how to cook.
Great job, bro. Let's see. What are you cooking?
What's this called, Mom?
It's meat pie, sweetie.
It's meat pie.
Amazing! It's my favorite. Can I have a bite?
Not now, Sarah. It's not done yet. Plus, you haven't washed your hands.
Your brother's right. Go wash your hands, Sarah.
All right, chefs. I'll go wash my hands now.
Hey, wait. Could you help me take out the trash, please?
Right now, Mom. Isn't it Tom's turn to take out the trash?
Can't you see he's helping me cook? And you haven't washed your hands anyway.
Okay.
Thank you, sister. I'll make sure your delicious meat pie is ready when you get back.
You better.